If you want to learn how to use AnyDesk on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can quickly find your AnyDesk address, connect to another computer, and understand how the remote connection works. This is a super useful tool for remote support, file access, and helping someone troubleshoot a PC from anywhere. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your PC. Once the app launches, give it a moment to load fully. You want to make sure everything appears properly before you try connecting to anyone else. When AnyDesk opens, look at the main screen. You'll usually see a section labeled This Desk or your address. This is your unique AnyDesk ID. Think of it like your personal connection code. Anyone who wants to connect to your PC will need this address, so if you're giving someone access for support, this is the number you share with them. Now, if you want to connect to another computer, go to the Remote Desk field. Here, you'll type in the AnyDesk address of the computer you want to access. Double check the number before you continue, because entering the wrong address will connect you to the wrong device or stop the connection from working. After typing the address, click Connect. AnyDesk will begin attempting to establish the remote session. At this point, if you're trying to access someone else's computer, they will need to approve the request on their side. On their screen, they'll see a prompt asking them to click Accept. This step is important because AnyDesk requires permission before the connection starts. Once they accept, the remote session will open and you'll be able to view or control the other computer depending on the permissions granted. From there, you can move around the desktop, open programs, and help with tasks just like you were sitting in front of the machine. If you're the one receiving help, remember that you can always manage what the other person is allowed to do through the permission settings. That's one of the reasons AnyDesk is so popular, because it gives you a simple and secure way to share access when needed. So to quickly recap, open AnyDesk, find your address, enter the other computer's address in the Remote Desk field, click Connect, and then have the other person click Accept. And that's how to use AnyDesk on PC in the easiest way possible. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe because it really supports the channel and helps me make more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next guide.